people. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cartoon video. See this channel and see the type of view they get from their video. And if this is what you really want to see, please do well to stay to the end of this video, and also subscribe to my channel and give the video a like to enable me post more video and also encourage my you. Let's dive into the video. So I'm going to use Meta AI to generate this image. Meta AI, I've opened it. That is what I'm going to use to generate the image I want to use. So my Meta AI has opened. Here I'm going to type what I want to generate. Imagine image animal road trip on a highway. And I tell it to generate. Let's see what it's going to give. So this is the image it generated for me. I think I like them. I like the color and I like everything. So I have already generated my image. I'm going to save them. Save. So if I don't like this image as it is being generated for me, if I don't like this image, I can as well come here, tell it to regenerate. So I can also this is the one I'm using. So I can also come and tell it to edit, then post, type what I want, the changes I want. Then I can say imagine animals laughing or laugh, then tell it to regenerate. So you can see that they are all now laughing. So let me paste. I like this one too. Let me save it. So after you have already saved all the image that you want, as you can see, all the image that we want is here. If I don't want those ones, I can as well tell it to regenerate all of them again for me. It has regenerate all of them, and I'm also going to save it. So after I've saved everything, I'm going to go to after I've finished saving my image, I will go to Canva for my image editing, canva.com. I've opened my Canva. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take video because what I'm going to do is what I will need pages. So my Canva have opened, and this is where I'm going to be working with. Sorry, I go to upload. I'm going to bring my image. So this is all the image. So I'm going to open them, create another page, put the second one, create another page, put the third one. So I've finished. The next thing I'm going to do is to arrange them so that I can fit in all of them on the page. As I've already uploaded all my image, the next thing I will do is to expand it, then come to edit image, choose magic expand, go to 16:9, then click magic expand so that it can cover my page. Okay, look at it. Then from here, if I want this one, I will take it. If I want this one, I can take it. If I want this one, I can take it. If I want this one, I can take it. I think I like this one. I will do the same thing in all the whole pages. Let's go enter into work. After I have finished arranging the videos, the next thing is to look for audio, to look for cartoon audio, anything about rabbit. So I now type rabbit audio or rabbit cartoon audio on the element of Canva, and the audios are out, and I'm going to check the one I like. After I have picked the one I like, I'll proceed to putting animation in the video. Let's check it and see. The next thing is to click in between the pages. As you can see, I'm clicking in between the pages. Then when you click it, the animation will come out. Immediately you click in between the pages, the animation itself will come out for you to add animation in between the pages to make the work very beautiful and attractive and pick children's attention to watch. So that's what I'm going to be doing in all the whole pages. Let's do it and let's get into work. So applying transition here. You apply transition in all of them. Okay, let's play it and see. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you like this video. You can then export your video. You come here on share, then when you go to share, you come down, say download. Make sure it is MP4 video. Download. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.